better than 2 Boost Blues.
Super wet. Those were down in
We tuning this bitch. Beating the shit out of Darius's car. No, I'm just kidding. Fucking changing the downpipe. Finally got this dumbass heat shield out. That one bolt that's in the bottom corner sucks. But we're good now. Just gotta do the downpipe stuff. Damn, this motherfucker doesn't even clean his car.
Me?
No, I need a vacuum the inside. You want to see some nice engine bay?
For it, wait for it. He cleaned this shit yesterday because he knew I was coming. Okay, this motherfucker clean.
Got the dress up bolts going on and shit.
Okay, I like the blue hoses.
Hell yeah.
Matchy, matchy. You gonna do this blue?
I don't know. I like the covers that are like yellow.
This man
but
moved
that
from.
don't match.
This man just moved from New York. How you liking North Carolina?
Oh, way better. The upgrade.
What part of New York? You know they gonna ask.
South Canada.
Okay.
Basically Buffalo, actually. Those motherfuckers just got like 7 feet of snow. See ya!
We bought our fucking Type R's together. He got, some slight upgrades. Some shit you ain't never seen before.
Yeah, I remember that salesman trying to fucking sell you that black one or whatever.
You ain't ready for it? The SpongeBob going here. Shout out to all the SpongeBob fans, okay? With the wheel. You can shift knob. Uh-huh. Just had to put that bitch in today. SpongeBob in the corner. This is an Instagram, but I'm gonna tag him anyway. Got them loud boys. God damn. So tell us about your setup. What's back here? Because race car.
Oh yeah, I got the APR GTC 250, 67 inch flush with the fender, nice and wide. Got the high rev taillights.
What exhaust you running?
Oh man, I got that freaking Apexi.
Got the SpongeBob left.
Hell yeah. The whole kit.
Oh, these are nice.
400. So I scooped them up used, real good. Down here, couple on here, couple here. Honestly, there's a bunch that get hidden by the fender cover. I have to drill a new hole here so I can put another one there. Same thing on the other side. I got to drill an extra hole just so I can use more of the fasteners, but I want to do something to this because it just looks like the dollar store intake, bro. Screws, but you don't go under your car, so.
Sure don't.
He says, sure don't. I can tell you you're missing one of these.
I don't have a garage. I live on a 3rd floor, so fuck
Bro,
that.
you're.
So we got to get some more bolts because I didn't have any bolts. I ain't bring nothing, just a straight downpipe. So we got to go to the store, get some more bolts, and then we also just tuned his car, so he's finna be excited. Got to get some reactions over here.
brother man.
Nobody paid attention.
Damn, she's scooting. My tires aren't even gonna be good enough for me to really fucking floor it, man. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Damn.
Hopefully it
I think our front pipe was easier than the other front pipe that I did. The fucking 10th gen SI.
True girlfriend got a Civic SI. Okay, gang, gang. You know, 10 gen gang out there.